Good morning, students. Now the next part, ordinal utility analysis. So you have already studied the utility concept can be divided into two parts. One is the cardinal utility analysis, one more is ordinal utility analysis. In case of the cardinal utility analysis, you have studied about the law of BMU, and it is analysis wherein the utility is measured in terms of numbers. And here, in case of ordinal utility, it is not measured but it can be only compared. And this approach, that is ordinal utility analysis approach, was given by J.R. Hicks and R.G. de Allen. And according to this concept, utility cannot be measured but it can be only compared. I repeat, according to the ordinal utility analysis, utility cannot be measured but it can be only compared. And why this approach was brought into practice? It was because due to the defects of the cardinal utility in the form of quantification. So what do you mean by quantification of data? Quantification means what here? The collection of any particular facts or utility in terms of the quantities, that is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. But here, actually in reality, we cannot measure utility in terms of the numbers, but we can only compare. Therefore, the ordinal utility says that the utility cannot be counted in numbers, but it can be only compared. And because of this reason, the ordinal utility was introduced. And here you should have to remember that the consumer does not measure utility in numbers. That is, the consumer will not measure utility in numbers, but is going to only compare. And here, the ordinal utility analysis says that the consumer is supposed to rank or order the utility which is obtained from the consumption of the different commodities as 1, 2, 3. So here you can see that there is Roman 1, Roman 2 and Roman 3, and here you cannot add, neither you can subtract, but you can only give them the ranks or the order. And here a consumer is going to prefer one commodity for the other. So let's take an example. Suppose there is a running race or athletic race between the three persons such as X, Y and Z. So whenever they are going to run a 100-meter race, X will come first, Y will come second and Z will come third. So here all these three people are ranked as first, second and third. But you cannot measure in how many minutes or in how many seconds they are going to cover the distance, but here simply we are going to list them as first, second and third. So that is called as ordinal utility analysis. And in case of ordinal utility analysis, we are going to learn one more concept that is called as indifference curve analysis, which we are going to learn in the next chapter. Thank you.